Everyone, my name is Brianna. I am a very passionate makeup artist here to talk to you today about my love and my journey with my lashes. I've been doing makeup for about 3 years now. I have also been a licensed esthetician for about 3 years now. I am a normal person like everybody else, and when I get nervous or overwhelmed, I pick my lashes or my hair. And being here as a Fitglow nerd and expert, I kind of felt a little bit nervous about that side of like, oh my god, like I'm picking my lashes, like this is not what a makeup artist does. And so I am here to explain everything about my lash journey and how I'm going to stop picking my lashes because I've had such an amazing time with my new favorite product that I'm using. Usually what happens is if I am a little bit overwhelmed or nervous, I tend to not notice how much I'm picking and I just go at it and go at it. And I had a huge gap in my right lash, and I finally realized, like, okay, I have got to stop doing this. I started finally using the Night Lash and Brow Serum, and I have not looked back. It's been 4 weeks. You can see and look at my before and after pictures. They are insane. My lashes have grown back and are better than ever, stronger and thicker than ever. And now I don't have to use lash extensions.